What is up, Coolie Mob? Today I'm making a different type of video. I'm gonna do a DIY of my baby wipes because it's been like a lot of questions about it and a lot of people has been interested. I didn't even think like it would be, but I'm gonna show you how you make them and how you only use 2 ingredients, and it's like so easy, so cheap. Oh my god, save so much money. So yeah, let's get into it.
Coolin' with the coolies and the coolie mob. Kids, you should come and kick it with the coolie mob. Chicks, cause it's the coolie mob. It's the coolie mob. Come and kick it with the coolie mob. We on some coolie mob shit.
Okay, you guys, so first you are going to start your rolling of your paper towels. I had already done 2 previously and split them in half. Now I'm going to start this one just so it can be 4 and it can be evenly divided throughout the bin that I have to put them in. I'm going to start by doing a butterfly effect, rolling them just so I can have an easy pull out for when I start the rolling. And then I'm going to go ahead and start rolling it into a circle. I added a butter knife inside just so I can have a little hard piece to go off of and know what the middle was and keep a little space in there so I can be able to grab the pull out. Okay, now I have my distilled water and I'm going to add it to my measuring cup and put in 2 cups of distilled water, and then I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of virgin coconut oil unrefined and 2.5 tablespoons of my Castile baby unscented soap. Okay, after mixing it thoroughly, I added it into my paper towels, and then I'm going to go ahead and do this a second time with only half of the ingredients that I have this time because I just needed a little bit more moisture. Okay, after I have finished everything, I put it inside this container and I put the lid on top. I just easily cut a hole inside so you can just pull the wipes out easily and it can be easy access. So guys, I'm done with this video. If you like this video, like, comment, subscribe, and share my channel. Thank you guys so much. Coolie Mob out.
Coolin' with the coolies and the coolie mob. Kids, you should come and kick it with the coolie mob. Chicks, cause it's the coolie mob. It's the coolie mob. Come and kick it with the coolie mob. We on some coolie mob shit.